guy at that time, 20-year-old guy, gave a call to IBM's headquarters in San Francisco at that time, and gave a call to IBM's head office. He told, I want to talk to your CEO. So he told, who are you talking? He told, I'm the CEO of my own company. Okay. In phone, you can't predict it's 18-year guy or 20-year guy. So he talked to the CEO of IBM. He told, look, you are making machines. I can make you softwares. So the CEO of IBM told, what is the need of softwares? Why do you need softwares? So he told, look, it's like body having life and life having body. You have the body, I have the life. Why don't you enjoy it together, right? And the IBM CEO was skeptical. He thought, yeah, maybe software will be of any sense. Let us give. So he was quite skeptical. He has to convince his colleagues why to give money to this guy. So he told, look, let us meet after 40 days. Like we said, kal milte hain. So he told, let's meet after 40 days. And this gentleman called Bill Gates later on realized, and even confessed in public, actually, when he called, he didn't have the software. He just gave a hoax call. And in 40 days, he designed MS-DOS and sold it to IBM. That's how market comes. Sometimes market comes not because you have a product. Sometimes market comes because you have an aspiration. You have a strategy. You have a thing to sell, right? And suddenly, something called International Business Machine, IBM, the entire thing changed to Microsoft. Before 25 years, Microsoft took over the entire market, which used to be owned by King of Sudan and Siberian people of metals, and one time, the huge company like IBM. Okay? And suddenly Microsoft started ruling it. They made all these tools after DOS. And then Bill Gates thought, maybe I'm Sultan Media, right? So he thought that it's enough. And then suddenly the people realized that the two doctoral students at the time in Stanford, they thought, why the Bill Gates will have all the fun? Right? We should have also have all the fun. So this guy started crazing. They got an Indian professor, by the way, in the Department of Computer Science. And they told, look, professor, all the people from India are crazy, right? The professor told, yeah. So why don't you do something new? Why don't you give us a new thesis to work for? The professor told, look, we solve complex problem in the world. Hindustan में हम कभी सरल problem को solve नहीं करते, क्योंकि यहाँ problem easy कुछ होता ही नहीं. You need to feed 120 crore people. You need to get traffic on the way. You need to get Mars mission done with 1 by 100 of the cost. So all the challenges in India are complex. So if somebody is solving an Indian challenge, they can solve anybody's challenge, right? So he told the professor, why don't you give us a new thesis? The professor told, okay, I'm interested in something called searching. So he told, okay, so what do you do in a PhD thesis in searching? How do we do a PhD thesis in searching? So these two guys went to Professor Rajiv Motwani in the computer science department. उन्होंने कहा, हमको आप PhD की 4 साल में ऐसा कुछ करवाओ कि जिसके काम के बाद हम कुछ entrepreneurial initiative ले पाए. Professor ने कहा, ठीक है, let us do an algorithm. So these guys told, we are going to screw up. What do you do the algorithm? It's not a machine, not a software, not a hardware. There is no chimney, there is no boiler. So he told, look, do it. So these guys spent their 4 years and designed something called PageRank algorithm. And in the final year in the hostel, they started a company called Google. Okay? Who just celebrated the 17th birthday yesterday. Right? And these guys overnight took over Microsoft. So the guys who used to do in 300 years, the guys who used to do 200 years, 50 years, 35 years, and now 17 years. And these guys did those entire amount of impact, not only by money, by the way. They have $100 billion in cash. I'm not talking on the money. If Google is removed out, how do you finish your assignments? You know it, right? So I'm not talking in the money. I'm talking in the values perspective. I'm talking in the perspective of Google Apps, Google AdSense, whatever, right? And these guys, Sergey Brin and all these guys, Larry Page, they thought of that 17 years is too much. इससे बेहतर तक कुछ नहीं हो सकता, right? Then a crazy team came again, and they used to again at that time in Stanford. These guys have a problem with encouraging the beautiful faces of various boys and girls in the college. So they have to do something else. So they have to start a small social media platform. So the मजाक में उन्होंने Facebook करके एक चिड़िया बनाया. कितने साल पहले? 9 साल पहले. And they thought it will be only used for the campus. Actually, by the way, Stanford banned it. उन्होंने कहा यार, this is not something going to work out, right? There is no market, there is no server. They gave a server cost of a couple of thousand rupees and started it. And today, 1 out of every 5 person जिसको कुदरत ने धरती पे लाया है वो फेसबुक पे लॉक्ड है. How many years? 9 years. 300 year, 200 year, 50 year, 35 year, 17 year, 20 year, 12 year, and 9 years. Facebook is 9-year-old company. And Prime Ministers of India is going to meet them. Who are the people? I mean, initially, you know, I used to joke. Initially, the dimension, those who told there is a money angle into it, nobody chased money in the first hand. Everybody chased one thing. Try to solve a problem. Doesn't matter whether it's small or large. If it solves your problem, it can solve other problem. If it solves everybody's problem, it has a market. Fundamental point, how to start it. You don't need to have a business plan. You don't need to have a big technology. You don't need to have something else. And you know, Zuckerberg at the age of 32 could create all the everything else that all, at least, Indian companies listed in Bombay Stock Exchange are doing. Right? So what I'm trying to summarize from this analogy, and let me tell you, after this 9-year-old Facebook incident, something happened called Groupon, which created equal value in 5 years. So Facebook is also gone. Anybody who is sleeping for more than 3 years, maybe a student, maybe a professor, maybe an entrepreneur, is going to off the self from the soil. He'll be wiped out. Because the dimensions and generation are changing. And if things have happened up to 6 years, let me tell you, the next guy who is going to write the history is going to be a 21, 22-year-old guy. By definition, by empirical data, and by perception. And who are the 22-year-old guy? The guys like you sitting in the colleges. Any of you or any other student of your age will come and knock off. So what I mean to say, it's not about how do you plan, how do you execute. It's all about how uniquely you try to solve the problem. Right? I will just add a couple of more facts. So now you are convinced that you can do a lot of stuff. Are you convinced or not? Yes. But if you lose 3 to 5 years, then somebody will take. तुम नहीं करोगे तो कोई और करेगा ना. ऐसा होता है कि तू मेरी नहीं तो किसी का भी नहीं. ऐसा भी होता है क्या? Doesn't work, right? It works. So how do you really execute? The market is ruthless. The whole system is ruthless. So when I came to Ahmedabad earlier, and I used to meet young people like you, one guy told, sir, ये बात तो सही है, लेकिन how do I do? How do I start? How do I know that I should start? That's a critical question, right? तो दिल पे धड़कन आएगी, हवा बहेगा, कुछ होगा. I mean, how do I sense it? That's critical, right? Otherwise, कभी भी तो start नहीं कर सकते. But let me tell you, even the Prime Minister is talking these days. The real age in which the creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, the startups, has to leverage is your age. If you will miss this age, probably have to wait for the next birth. You will always remain a consumer of Flipkart, but you will never make Flipkart. Right? These two guys, also an employee of Amazon, had the guts to come out. They convinced their girlfriends that I will not pay you money for 2 years, but we will start something else. And they did it. And today, let me tell you the facts and figures. Tata Motors is a company with 95,000 crore market valuation, which is a 60-year-old company, whereas Flipkart is a company 10-year-old, actually 8-year-old, with a market capitalization of 100,000 crore. Can you believe it? Flipkart is 1/10 of the age of Tata Motors, but it creates the more value than what Tata Motors creates. Generations are changing. Hindalco is an aluminium company, which is a 65-year-old company. Its market capitalization is 17,000 crore. Or in the other way, Snapdeal is a 5-year-old company with market capitalization is 20,000 crore. Tools, methods of production and means of exchange are changing. Methods of production, if I say in economics, and means of exchange are changing. अगर आप उस चीज को समझ पाओ क्या बदल रहा है और बदलती हुई हवा में अगर आप तैर पाओ, you are Sultan Raja. Once upon a time in Mumbai, right? You can do it. But only problem is how to read that wave. And let me tell you, if you are following your colleagues, you will never find that wave helping you. You have to be absolutely different from Aam Janata. Fundamental point. You have to be, if somebody could have told 10 years before the mother of Zuckerberg that your guy is going to get every one of the 5 guys in a computer office, nobody could believe it, right? How crazy. Let me tell you, the precious souls are the crazy souls. जो abnormals होते हैं ना लोग, कुछ लोग तुम्हारे में भी होंगे, वो बहुत प्रेशियस है. हमको लगता है वो पागल है, मैं कहता हूँ उनकी कीमत है. They are actually precious. Nobody made Flipkart just by satisfying common need. No, they're absolutely crazy. They used to sell books, now they sell everything else. In the whole world, cash on delivery was never a model. They experimented. हिंदुस्तान में सामान दे दो फिर पैसा मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा कोई गारंटी नहीं है. फिर भी उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करी, राइट? और उन्होंने सक्सेसफुल किया. The real innovation of Flipkart is not the internal transaction. It is the cash on delivery model, right? How do you create a innovation? Look, when I mean innovation, लोगों को लगता है innovation मतलब rocket, innovation मतलब चांद में जाना, innovation मतलब something crazy. It may happen in business model. It could be in business model. It should be in process. Flipkart did that. Nothing else. Only mastered the process of how do you do cash and delivery. One problem they solved, and the whole 100,000 crore came in the pocket. That one problem. How do you find that one problem? And let me tell you, problems are everywhere. Do you believe it or not? Right from coming to your school to going to heaven, problems are everywhere. How do you capitalize? That's the real strategy. I will tell you bit more. Are you getting bored? No. So by now you are convinced that you can do a lot, right? I was not convinced in my college days. I never got people talk to me telling that you are of any worth. Because we always used to think we are morons. We are like zombies, right? We are not humans. We have been asked to do a lot of stuff which we can't do and forced to do. But we compromise. I think we people in our higher education are trained to compromise with dreams. You know, आज ये नहीं होता तो वो हो जाता है, कल वो नहीं होता तो हम समझौता करते हैं सिर्फ. We never chase the real dream. We just keep on compromising. But there might be 1 or 2% of people in the audience who says कि नहीं यार, doesn't matter. This problem in Flipkart is not working. I'm going to address it. Or this thing in Snapdeal is not working. I'm going to address it. Or maybe I want to create a different model of social network altogether. It may happen. Never get satisfied. Let me tell you the fundamental point. If anybody is fully satisfied, यहाँ तक he can never start an enterprise. Because he will always be happy. तुमको सब जगह पे दुनिया रंगीन ही दिखेगा. You will never see the black and white movies, right? But that's necessary. You need to see that. So, in fact, it is very surprising. It is very surprising that the Prime Minister of the country is now looking to young startups. आज भी वो अगर कल के अपने speech देखी होगी, I don't know whether you watched these public policy speeches. He was talking in Facebook's town hall yesterday. You go and read today what he has talked. He told that earlier the notification was whether you were sleeping or out or not. Now the notification is are you online or offline, right? The generations are changing, and in that context, the next level of leaders will come in a different way. I will tell you a story. When you passed 12th class, 2 years before, 1 year before?
1 year.
You just out of college. Oh, you're so honest souls, right? So, just go back to your 12th standard. So, in fact, 11th standard means 1 year more before. So, couple of years before, in 2010, I used to coordinate a National Innovation Award at IIM Ahmedabad, where I do operate. Dr. Kalam used to give this award every year, and the final award used to be given by him in November every year. And we used to appreciate young innovators from schools who has some crazy ideas to look for, right? And then another award for students like you in Rashtrapati Bhavan, which I do coordinate in Rashtrapati Bhavan every year, President's House in March. So one guy on the 11th standard gave me a call from Bhubaneswar. I belong to Odisha, but I don't know whether he got my number there or somehow else, maybe internet. He called me, he told uncle. So first of all, I was shocked. I said, okay. So he told uncle, I have an idea. I told, so what? Right? So, as usual, when I come across an idea, I just get critical. So I told, he then explained me, sir, एक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन बनाने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा होगा, ऐसे कंज्यूमर्स हैं, ऐसे नीड्स हैं, इसका इतना अच्छा डिमांड्स है. I never had a smartphone by that time, right? So I could never realize what an operating system works at that time. So I used to have those BlackBerry QWERTY keyboards. So मैंने कहा तुम क्या करते हो? तो कहता है सर 11th standard में पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा यार हमने इंजीनियरिंग किया, हम मूर्ख हैं क्या, राइट? तुम अभी से क्यों चालू कर रहे हो? तो कहता सर आप लोगों ने किया नहीं इसीलिए हम कर रहे हैं, राइट? So sometimes we don't address problem, so opportunity goes to others. This was happening in our business, right? And this guy at 11, मतलब तुम्हारे से 2 साल छोटा सा एक बच्चा, नन्ना सा, वो भी भुवनेश्वर से, फोन करके कहता है मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। मैंने कहा क्या करना क्या चाहते हो? तो कहता है काम करो सर, आप डॉक्टर कलाम को वहां पे बुलाएंगे तो मेरे को थोड़ा दूर से भी देखने का मौका मिल जाएगा ना, तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा। एंड ऑफ ईयर कई बार क्या होता है ना, थोड़ा सा आशा रहती है कि ये हो जाए, बाद में वो हो जाए, फिर इंक्रीमेंटली चुकर पाते, राइट? सो मैंने कहा ठीक है, यू वांटेड टू कम टू अहमदाबाद। नेक्स्ट डे टुक द ट्रेन एंड ही रीच्ड हियर। And when I saw him physically, I realized actually he's 11th standard kid. Okay, पतला दुबला सा, you know, typical 11th standard guy. तो मैंने कहा भाई कॉलेज स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म में बैग वैग लेके आ जाओ। मैंने कहा तू करना क्या चाहता है? बोला सर अभी तो अवार्ड फंक्शन के लिए आया हूँ। That's all. So I took him there, and then he saw people, students getting awards, children for their ideas. Then after the award function, he told, "Can you connect me to a couple of professors in IIM?" I told, "Look, you have not finished 11. You have to finish your undergrads. Then you have to come here." So इतना जल्दी क्या है? तो कहता नहीं मेरे को थोड़ा बात करने का उनके साथ। ठीक है, so I couple of professors, they are in economics and market and innovation. I met the first professor. मैंने कहा कि सर 11th का बच्चा है, कुछ करना चाहता है। तो प्रोफेसर को लगा पागल होगा। आप 11th स्टैंडर्ड या कोई BBA का फर्स्ट ईयर का बच्चा कहता है कि मैं बिजनेस प्लान लेके आता हूँ, इसमें दुनिया बदल सकता है। लोग क्या लगता है, या तो इसको च्यवनप्राश कम मिले हैं, राइट, या तो कुछ विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी है। तो उसने कहा, तो प्रोफेसर ने बताया कि देखो बच्चे, अभी तुम पढ़ाई करो, 12th का बोर्ड में नंबर अच्छा नहीं आएगा, कॉलेज भी जा नहीं सकते। फिर वो बच्चा मुझे कहता है चलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होगा। So then I came back. Then I told, okay, look, he's a senior professor in economics है। बोलता नहीं वो काम के नहीं। So I told, तो किससे मिलोगे? तो बोला फाइनेंस की या स्ट्रैटेजी का प्रोफेसर चाहिए। ठीक, एक और प्रोफेसर के वो एक बच्चा है, मिलना चाहता है। बोला अच्छा मिल लेते हैं। उसके पास गया तो उसने बताया कि सर ऐसा ऐसा है। तो प्रोफेसर ने कहा बिजनेस मॉडल है। अब बच्चा अभी मॉडल भी नहीं बनाया, बिजनेस मॉडल कहाँ से बनाया, राइट? तो मुझे बच्चा कहता है ये भी नहीं काम के। तो निकलने का मुझे कहता है कि ये वही आया है, मैं ना सचमुच। तो मैंने कहा हाँ भाई यही आया है अहमदाबाद। तो इधर इनको नाता नहीं है कुछ। मैंने कहा नहीं, पर तू जो मांग रहा है वो नहीं आता हमको। एंड ही रियलाइज, ही टोल्ड मी अच्छा तो कैन यू डू वन थिंग, डू यू नो एनी गुड बिजनेस स्कूल इन यूएस? मैंने कहा हाँ जानता हूँ। मैंने कहा बूथ स्कूल है शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी में, क्या करने का? बोला वहाँ किसी को लिंक करो। फंस गया। तो मैंने कोई बात नहीं। सो आई यूज्ड टू हर कॉलीग देयर इन बूथ स्कूल इन शिकागो। आई टोल्ड हिम एक बच्चा है और वो आपको बातचीत करना चाहता है, लेकिन बैकग्राउंड बता देता हूँ, वो IIM को अपने लेवल से नीचे मानता है। सो आई कनेक्टेड इन दिस फेलो, कनेक्टेड थ्रू लिंक्डइन, नॉट बाय ईमेल, राइट? उस प्रोफेसर कहता है सर ऐसा ऐसा है, ये करना चाहता हूँ, इस देश में इतना % लोग ये करना चाहते हैं, ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ऐसा कुछ करना चाहता हूँ। तो उस प्रोफेसर को भी लगा ये पगला हो गया है, राइट? ना तो टेक्नोलॉजी आता है, ना तो कॉमर्स आता है, ना इकोनॉमिक्स आता है, और प्लान बना रहा है। He didn't reply, and I didn't know that he didn't reply. उसके बाद one day this fellow called me and told, सर वो वहाँ भी ऐसे ही लोग हैं सर। मुझे लगता था कि वो कहता है कि मुझे लगता था कि वहाँ पढ़े लिखे लोग होंगे। He is in 11th, right? And he's judging the faculties of top tier schools across the globe. मैंने कहा यार इसके अंदर में कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है। तो मैंने कहा एक काम करो, अभी तुम काम करना चालू कर दो, जब कोई जरूरत पड़ेगा तो बताना। तो बोला ठीक है सर, आप जब जरूरत पड़ेगा आपको फोन करूंगा। I also forgot him. He also, I don't know, he also forgot me. It was a story in 2010. In 2015, 2 months before, I got a call of the professor from Chicago Boot School. Same professor. मेरे को फोन आया उनका रात को इंडियन टाइम में, तो इनमें बात करनी है। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ भाई? तो कहते यार डू यू रिमेंबर एक 5 साल पहले एक 11th का बच्चा को तुमने मेरे को रेफरेंस में लिंक किया था, और बाद में वो बच्चा मेरे को बोला था कि तुम कोई काम करनी हो। मैंने कहा हाँ मुझे याद तो आ रहा है, बट देन आई हैव टू सर्च माय ईमेल्स, आई डोंट डिलीट माय ईमेल्स। सो मैंने कहा ढूंढना पड़ेगा। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? तो कहते हैं यार आज मैंने सुबह सुबह न्यूयॉर्क में था और अखबार खोला तो फ्रंट पेज पे न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स में उसका स्टोरी आया। तो मुझे लगा कि हिंदुस्तान लोग तो बदनाम होते हैं तो कहानी आती। तो मुझे लगा कि पक्का इसने कुछ तो किया होगा उधर जाके, क्योंकि तभी वो बोला था IIM और शिकागो नीचे, अभी तो बोलता होगा MIT और हार्वर्ड भी स्कूल है, राइट? तो मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? तो बोला यार उसका फ्रंट पेज पे स्टोरी है। तो मुझे वो पूछते कि उम्र क्या होगा उसका, मैंने कहा 20 साल का होगा सर, उस टाइम तो 15-16 साल का था जब आया था। 15 साल होगा ना, 11 में कितना साल होगी, 15, तो 5 साल मतलब 20 years। बोले हाँ 20 साल का ही है। मैंने कहा क्या किया उसने, व्हाई इज इन न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स नॉट इन अहमदाबाद मिरर और दिव्य भास्कर, राइट। ही टोल्ड दिस इज द यंगेस्ट CEO of a startup in India which has got 5,000 crore investment from Japan's investment group SoftBank. And he is Ritesh Agrawal, the founder of Oyo Room. So, then when I just searched by my mails, I just went back to the mails in the thread, what he is. You know, he used to design a mobile application when Android was not there. वो एंड्रॉइड नहीं आया था उस टाइम में, बोला था कि मेरे को ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए, अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा तो मैं ऐसा कुछ एप्लीकेशन बनाऊंगा, इससे ये होगा और इससे ये रेवेन्यू आएगी। लुक, ही इज प्लेइंग विद ड्रीम्स, ही इज नॉट प्लेइंग विद इवन रियलिटीज। द रियल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु आर क्रेजी एंड प्लेज विद ड्रीम्स, एंड ड्रीम्स नॉट इन द नाइट बट इन द डे, समझ रहे हो? एंड दिस आई जस्ट देन आई एसएमएस हिम कि भाई ऐसा है। देन रितेश टोल्ड कि साहब, मैं बोला था आपको कुछ करूंगा, अभी तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करना चालू कर दिया, राइट? एंड कैन यू बिलीव, आई टोल्ड हिम कैन यू टेल योर वर्क प्रोफाइल, योर कंपनी प्रोफाइल, व्हाट यू डू? ही मेल्ड मी एंड फॉरवर्डेड दैट मेल टू ऑल प्रोफेसर्स इन IIM and others because I liked one sentence in the mail. He told, I have 750 people working for me in the company, out of which 20 are passed out from IIM Ahmedabad, 160 are passed out of IITs, 30 of them are passed out from Chicago and other business schools, 10 of them are from Ivy League business schools, and only one 11th standard pass out guy, that's me. सही है भाई? He could not go to college, उसको टाइम नहीं था ये सब करने के लिए, उसको लगता था ये फालतू है, because nobody could satisfy the way he wanted to be taught. समझ रहे हो? कई बार आपको असाइनमेंट लिखते लिखते मुझे फील नहीं आती क्या कर रहा हूं, बट उसकी कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है, उसकी कोई आसान सोल्यूशन नहीं है, क्योंकि दैट्स द सिस्टम अप्रोच, राइट? बट दिस गाय कुड गो एंड हिज फैमिली नेवर न्यू बिफोर द फर्स्ट स्टोरी केम इन न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स दैट दिस फेलो हैज नॉट गॉन टू कॉलेज. He was admitted in Delhi University, he never gone to college after 3 days. He tried to build something. He told, even if I lose 3 years, I can come back and study. But if I lose my dreams in the time in which this thing is happening. And he was so happy when Android came because he was expecting something to happen and something happened. You know, तुम कुछ दिल से चाहते हो वो चीज तुम्हारे साथ हो जाए, कैसे मजा आए, right? What I'm trying to say is, I told a hypothesis that the next guy who is going to make and break the rules is going to be a college guy, right? And now this fellow has proved it. I don't need to look at to Steve Jobs or Bill Gates or Warren Buffett or Richard Branson anymore. This fellow has never started anything on how to do the business, but he knows how to pursue. He has guts at standard of 11 to say, sorry, I am Ahmedabad, is not my own. He says, you are not worth of me. You don't say, I am not worth of you. How do you have that guts? कहाँ से आता है वो guts? वो guts अंदर से आता है. You expose, you explore, you unravel, you discover, you fight. And you know, I keep on meeting a guy like Ritesh every day. And I meet these people of all like your age. I mean, typically yes, with a Capri, with a Chappal and all these things. They're not formal CEOs of that kind of thing. But then other way, there are also 50 million youths like you who are sitting in different colleges. I don't know what is the real problem, which don't help you to dream big. But I think somehow, you know, I am helping 5 state governments to create processes so that I can create 1,000 Ritesh and 10,000 of others. But sometimes we believe that the real thing has to happen to the students. If some of you believe that you will gain something by experience and then do trial and then do wait for something, it may happen, but probability is less. The best way to start is to start just now. There is no time is called best time to start. Let me tell you. And I did an experiment with Kerala. Kerala में हम लोग चीफ मिनिस्टर से बात करके हर स्कूल्स में और हर कॉलेजेस में हमने कहा बच्चों को थोड़े थोड़े सीड फंड 1 लाख 2 लाख रुपए की बेसिक फंडिंग सपोर्ट दे दिया. हमने कहा एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ योर लाइफ, नॉट बाय टेकिंग समबडी टू पार्टी, राइट, बट डूइंग समथिंग हार्डकोर इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू सपोर्ट. In the first year, 670 teams across different colleges came down and registered their companies right in the college. 670 teams of your age group. Let me tell you, each of them in next 2 years managed a revenue of not lesser than 5 CR. 5 crore. So 600 into 5 CR. How much? 3,000 crore. Which is 5% of GDP of Kerala. If it could have been in Gujarat, it could be something more. So what I mean, ये वही बच्चे हैं जो असाइनमेंट्स लिख रहे थे बैठ के स्कूल्स में, उन्हें एक मौका दिया गया, उन्हें बोला गया कि आप है ना, आप इसके साथ साथ ये भी करो. ये नहीं कि कॉलेज बंक मार लो, कॉलेज में जो कर रहे हो उसके अलावा ये भी करो, और ये करने के लिए आपको ये सुविधाएं हम देंगे. 600 थे तो स्टूडेंट्स जो जनरली उस उम्र में स्टडी लोन लेके पढ़ते हैं ना, उस उम्र में वो स्टेट का 5% जीडीपी कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. ये होती ना औकात वाली बात, राइट? That is something is happening amazing. And if it can happen in Kerala, I don't understand why it can't happen in Gujarat. We studied to this model, and then I experimented the same thing in Gujarat. In 2011 and 12, by now, 230 teams from different colleges have successfully taken off. By the time they go to final year, I will tell you one guy, he joined to an engineering college, and very unknown engineering college in Ahmedabad, you know, and because everybody's parent want their kids to be highly educated and all these things, right? घर में थोड़ा सा वो रहता है, मेरा बच्चा पढ़ा लिखा बहुत हो तो बहुत काम का है, something like that, perception. So this fellow was sent to college and he never liked what he was supposed to teach, read, but he liked something called solar energy collector technology. And this fellow in the diploma, I'll tell your ESL coordinator to invite these people sometime later on to have a one-on-one interaction, whom are talking about both Ritesh and other, and maybe some of you can join them to create a mechanism so that you meet people who can really inspire, right? You meet many people who are adjunct at that time, but meet those people like you. So this guy, in diploma, final year, he converted his final year thesis to an enterprise. That gave me an idea, why not 5 million youth can convert their projects into enterprises, right? This fellow in diploma converted his final year thesis, diploma means 19-year-old, converted an enterprise. In 1 year, its turnover was 1.5 CR. And then he came to me one day, he can't write English also properly, totally writes Gujarati, but he makes benefit. He came, he told, look, I want to do something more. I told, why don't you join a college? Sure, okay, let me join a college. So he went to a degree college. And then studying, he told me that how much salary I will get after passing out. I told maybe 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. चलो खुदरत ने दवा किया लाख रुपए, ठीक है? He told उतना तो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ डिप्लोमा में, so I'm going to read. I told look, then you can get more technology, gain knowledge. He went there in college. The fourth semester, he designed another technology. It was not assignment. It was not a coursework. It was not for examination. It was not for submission. It was because he liked that idea. And one thing he taught to me is how can we integrate the liking ideas as projects, right? You like something and you do something. If both can be together, then life becomes beautiful, right? It happened in personal life also. It happened everywhere else. So this guy told, can you tell to my principal that this could be my final year work? I told, okay, definitely. I write to principal. I talked to the vice chancellor. I told, look, this guy is going to do something. Why not we help the students who want to pursue entrepreneurship in college, let them convert those projects as the final year projects. We did that. We took a resolution. I convinced the education minister. This fellow, through that small help, converted his thesis into an enterprise again. And can you believe, this fellow was given 7-time mathematics examination, final paper. He's not able to clear it somehow. He says that ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. I don't understand differential calculus. But recently, this guy is yet to get convocated. He has to yet to get that cap and school, right? But this guy participated in a competition in MIT West, the best engineering college in the soil, competed with 750 universities and got a gold medal for his technology, right from Ahmedabad. And let me tell you, what is the technology? He has designed a technology which is 300 times superior than the US technology. And कहाँ बनाया उसने? अपने कॉलेज में बनाया. कैसे बनाया? क्योंकि उसमें उसका इंटरेस्ट था. उसने 4 साल उसी पे लगाया. बाकी सारे असाइनमेंट तो होते थे उसके. He just spent 4 years to solve one problem: how to increase efficiency of solar collectors. जो थर्मल रे आते हैं उसको कैसे कलेक्ट किया जाए. He made 68% efficiency, whereas United States Defense Ministry has a 28% efficiency. That means अगर तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे कोशिश करें तो दुनिया की बेहतरीन रिसर्च सेंटर नासा से लेकर प्राइवेट रिसर्च सेंटर से भी बेहतर काम कर सकते हैं. Not in the technology, it could be in the business process. Never think that the research means I'm talking technology. And the beauty is, recently this guy came to me a couple of weeks before. He told, look sir, I hired my principal. I told, how? He told the principal was not happy with the college. I told, why don't you take double salary but join me? And I told, what's the revenue? He told, sir, presently I'm working in 28 crore operating revenue. 28 crore operating revenue. A final year student hiring his principal, competing in MIT, though he's not getting the degree here because of the math paper. Probably that's India. So what I mean is, you do not need to be an expert of everything. Just have one idea and love it. It could be something which people will laugh at you. It could be something people will think ye bachpana kar raha like this, right? So I think those are quite essential. Those are quite crucial, and there is no systematic. I mean, you might be reading a subject called entrepreneurship. Somebody told me, you told me, right? Have you studied something called a theoretical subject also? It's in first semester or which semester? So anything you learn from that? Any specific thing? Let me tell you, you will learn better if you do that in real life. You study so many subjects, you study so many things. But I can't speak English if I don't apply English, right? I can't just digest the letters and alphabets and talk it. It can't happen. You have to practice. I think entrepreneurship is something which is a combination of science, arts, and technology. It has nothing to do with only one dimension. Facebook's entire business strategy depends upon how aesthetic it is, what are the kind of user interface you have. It has more to do with sociology and behavior than less to do with technology. It's a fact. Because before Facebook, Orkut was there, right? A lot of other social media were there, right? They have also technology, right? But Facebook could strike to your emotion and behavior. The real entrepreneurial instincts are how do you capture the mindset, the behavior, the emotions. It's not about capturing markets. So I asked you the question, is it because of money? No, sorry. All successful enterprises have created money by mistake, but they have created value by strategy. इसको आप दिमाग पर डाल दो. They have created money by mistake, but they have created value by strategy. Right? Okay. So I think too much of board. No? Slipping? Okay. So now the three hypotheses that we went through. The case of a young guy coming and doing, a case of a technology which can happen in Ahmedabad and could be globally competitive, and something like this. So let me do an experiment with you now. Okay. Some of you might be thinking, yeah, if I could be in Harvard, or if you could be in MIT, or if you could have been happening somewhere else, probably my economics could have been better, my strategy could have been better, my process could have been better. But let me tell you, as I carefully uttered one sentence. If you can solve an Indian problem, you can solve global problem. I told you to write. Why? Because Indian problems are complex. Why? Because you integrate economics, you integrate sociology, you integrate behavior, you integrate gender, you integrate demography, everything else into the problem. Right? Manto ki manto? We integrate so many things into it. So, suppose I assume that आप लोगों ने आपने कहा कि आपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पढ़े भी हैं. For a time being, let us forget about those kind of entrepreneurship I talked about, like how Ritesh made Oya Room or Facebook. Assume for a minute that if entrepreneurship could be a big big project, big revolution. How do you manage? Some of you will not be a co-founder of a big company, but you could be a good CEO of a good company, right? You can manage it better. Some of you could be very good leader. Some of you could be very good manager. Now, अगर किसी के दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि co-founders ही बनना जरूरी है, जुकरबर्ग ही बनना है, sorry, I mean that not written rule that you can only chase those people. You can create your own league, right? So suppose I say, what is entrepreneurship? There should be an investment, there should be a value, and there should be a profit in between, right? Broadly, this is all. So suppose I say that I am going to make you the chairman of ISRO. You understand ISRO, right? Indian Space Research Organization. Suppose, as a brilliant student of JLS, suppose, let's dream today, okay? You have made the chairman of ISRO and asked to be the mission director of Chandrayaan or maybe Mars Orbiter mission. It's a major project that you have done, right? Like 2 products. So Chandrayaan is one product and Mars Orbiter mission is another product. And you are the CEO of a company called ISRO, suppose any of you. And there is a given fact. Carefully listen to it. I'm going to ask you the solution. Okay? Carefully listen to it. The target in the business model is like this. You will be given only 1/10 of money or 1/5 of money what a NASA CEO get. You understand NASA, right? The Space Artificial Program in US. आपको 5 गुना कम पैसा मिलेगा, but you have to successfully do it. So it's like you have to launch 2 products in the market. You have limited budget. You have a strategy to be in place. School, mathematics, physics. How do you operate? These are the kind of challenges we get. And let me tell you, the problem definition that I told to you was the exact problem definition was given by the former Prime Minister to the chairman of ISRO. उन्होंने उनको कहा, देखो साहब, हमको मार्स में जाने का खर्चा थोड़ा कम देंगे आपको. आप जो इंजीनियर, जो मार्केटिंग, जो एमबीए बच्चों को लगाने लगा दीजिए, जो बीबीए, बीसीए जिसको लगाने लगा दीजिए. We need a successful mission, right? How do you do? That's what the leadership comes in the picture. The first time, HR की जो बच्चे होंगे, if you are human resource background के थोड़ा भी पेपर पढ़े होंगे, पहली बात क्या होती है ऐसी बड़ी प्रोजेक्ट में, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में, देखते हैं कि कौन से अच्छे लोग हैं जिनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बहुत अच्छा है, right? Those who have done successful projects before, maybe a CEO of Flipkart or something to come in and create a new thing. तो उन्होंने सबसे पहले लिस्ट मंगाई इसरो में जितने भी लोग थे. And you know, the chairman told, carefully choose only the young guys below 35. Carefully choose the young guys below 35. What could be the reason? Nobody knew it. And then he put another circular. He told, find out those people who are extremely foolish. Right? Extremely foolish. अब यार मार्स में जाने की बात कर रहे हैं, आप पुलिस लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं तो लगेगा वो जो चेयरमैन है वो सबसे बड़ा फूल है, right? And the third condition was try to find out those people who do not know that they do not know. Find out those people who do not know that they do not know. Suppose if I don't know what I don't know, I will try. Get the point? If I know what I don't know, I will never try. बोलेगा ना ये मेरा बस की बात नहीं है, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क आउट. कैसी बात करता हूँ, मार्स में थोड़ी इतने खर्चे में आते हैं, इतने में तो गांधीनगर नहीं पहुंच सकते, राइट? So these 3 criteria they chose as a CEO of the enterprise called Mars Mission. And can you believe इस देश के सबसे अच्छे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज क्या होता है? IIT होता है ना. एक भी बंदा उसमें से नहीं था. सब लोकल इंस्टीट्यूशन की इकोनॉमिक्स, लोकल इकोसिस्टम की जियोलॉजिस्ट, लोकल कॉलेजेस की साइंटिस्ट आए. उनको पहले दिन प्रॉब्लम डेफिनेशन दिया गया कि भाई साहब आपको नासा में $1 बिलियन का खर्चा होता है, 5,000 करोड़. आपको इतना नहीं मिलने वाला है, आपका पॉकेट मनी बहुत कम है, आपको इतने में मार्स में जाना है और करके आना. ये आपके एंटरप्राइज मॉड्यूल है, 2 प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करके आनी है मार्स में, राइट? तो इन्होंने कहा यार कैसी बात करते हैं आप, इससे कैसे, इतना तो फ्यूल का खर्चा हो जाएगा. अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि 50 रुपए में गांधीनगर जाओ तो BRTS भी नहीं पहुंचा पाएगा सर, राइट? How do we do innovation? And that was the challenge by the planning commission to them. So what I'm trying to say is how entrepreneurship is not only in technology, not only in business, but in governance. सरकार में और बड़ी बड़ी मिशन में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कैसे बनती है. तो आप लोग के दिमाग में, जिसके दिमाग में ये है ना कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का मतलब दाढ़ी वाला, उसको आज निकाल देते, राइट? एंड देन these guys got this much of support. They got exactly 450 million US dollar, exactly 1/28. And this guy told, okay, let's do. So the first question that each of these people asked, अगर आप लोग उस टीम में हो, ड्रीम टीम में हो, what you will think? What will be the first question that will come in your mind? What is the first question that will come to your mind? Anybody? Keep guess. If you are going to do in less cost, what is the first thing that you will do in this mission? Fuel efficiency. What's your name? Sunil is telling fuel efficiency. आप बताओ एक बार, US is a better fuel than you. So how will you compare? He is right. Sunil is in the right track. Can anybody extend to Sunil's? US students are brilliant. Sunil के लिए एक ताली हो जाए. Sunil कह रहा है fuel efficiency होनी चाहिए, लेकिन fuel उनके पास भी है. How do we do? Can anybody add to it? This side. Yes.
How much weight can they?
So one is the weight. Can you reduce the weight of the rocket? But again, the lightest rockets are in NASA. So that option cannot also help you. Yes. Next. What we are doing? We are doing market research. Right? Yes. Better technology. So in better technology, you have to invest. That needs money. So you have to use existing technology, but in a different way. Right? You have to use existing technology in a different way. So how do we do that? You are smart. Who will give the final answer? I will give it to you. Yes? Yes?
Material and the size of the rocket.
Material?
And the size of the rocket.
छोटा कर दो, बट वो भी छोटा कर देंगे ना नासा वाले. ऐसा क्या करें? साइज भी उतना ही रहेगा. बताओ. Yes? How to reduce the production cost? देसी तरीके से बनाओ राजकोट में, right? हो सकता है, बट दैट हैज आल्सो लिमिटेशन. रिस्क फैक्टर है प्रोडक्ट में. अगर प्रोडक्ट में थोड़ा भी लोचा आया तो वॉक्सवैगन वाला मामला हो जाएगा, राइट? यस. नेक्स्ट. Cool. I mean, you're just inching one step ahead. You're brilliant. आगे कौन बताएगा? Anyone? Quick. How? What do you do? I have yes. What's your name? प्रियंका is telling फ्यूल उतना ही है, रॉकेट उतना ही है. हमको धरती में जो एनर्जी मिल रहा है उसमें कुछ बढ़त नहीं करनी है. क्या ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं खर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन कुदरती ताकत से वो हो जाए? She is 90% into it. Who will fill the next 10%? It could be in ISRO's chairman. I will recommend your name. It doesn't matter, right? Who is the next guy who will be finishing that 10%? क्या करें? She has given the hint. She has given the hint that ऐसा कुछ करो कि हम खर्चा ना करें, कुदरत खर्चा करें. Yes, anyone? Yes. Solar rocket, but yes, but NASA also have solar rocket. So technology is same. 10%. Who will finish the next 10% thing? Yes. We can use the. आपके नाम क्या है? सिद्धार्थ को क्या कर रहे हो आजकल? BBA फैशन. सिद्धार्थ के लिए ताली होनी चाहिए आज. सिद्धार्थ कह रहा है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को फ्यूल बना सकते हैं क्या? ये तो बीबीए कर रहा है, ये तो रॉकेट साइंस से है नहीं, साइंस में कर रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है, बट लेट मी टेल यू, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के बारे में तुम कौन सी स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़े हो? 11 से पहले पढ़े होगे भाई. 7
सर आज ही
ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है ये तो पता है ना, हम खड़े हैं ये भी पता है. वो उसी की बात कर रहा है सर, ठीक है, कॉमन सेंस की बात कर रहा है कि क्या ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को हम कर सकते हैं. जब इसका मतलब ये है जब आपकी बिजनेस में कैपिटल कम हो, रिस्क ज्यादा हो, तो वर्चुअल कैपिटल कहां से लाओ? तो इन जो साइंटिस्ट को, जो इनको पता नहीं था कि उनको क्या नहीं पता, उनको बताया गया, तो उन्होंने कहा ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को फ्यूल बनाते हैं. You know, they did a brilliant thing. They did. I will explain how they did it. How the entrepreneurship of Mars mission happened. उन्होंने क्या किया पता है? उन्होंने सिर्फ 3 चीज ढूंढे इंटरनेट से, गूगल से, कि पूरे विश्व में, पूरे इसमें अलग अलग पोजीशन में अलग अलग ग्रह नक्षत्र हैं, राइट? मार्स, मून और अर्थ. ये कौन से महीने में अगले 5 साल में कितने डिस्टेंस में आपस के रहेंगे, इसका एक टेबल बनाया, जैसे आप लोग टेबल बनाते, राइट? फिर पता किया कि सबसे करीब करीब डिस्टेंस में कब रहते हैं, उसकी एक ग्राफ बनाई. अच्छा, जब करीब रहेगा तो फोर्स बढ़ेगा कि कम होगा? जब पास रहते तो धड़कन बढ़ती ना, सही है? तो उसने कहा कि भाई करीब कब है, ग्राफ बनाई उन्होंने, ठीक है. उन्होंने क्या किया पता है? एक फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल को यूज किया। अगर मान लीजिए कि कोई चीज को धरती के आसपास घुमानी है, सिर्फ वहां पहुंचाने तक की खर्च लगती है, वहां छोड़ने के बाद तो धरती खुद उसको घुमाएगा, जैसे चांद को घुमा रहे। राइट, फंडामेंटल पॉइंट है। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, दे जस्ट वेंट टू दैट ऑर्बिट जो लो कॉस्ट रॉकेट से जा सकते हैं, जिनके पास था, और वहां उन्होंने 2 महीने तक पार्किंग लॉट में रख दिया सैटेलाइट को। दे लिटरली पुट द सैटेलाइट इन पार्किंग लॉट। पार्किंग लॉट मींस आगे पीछे कहीं नहीं जाने का, वहीं खड़ा कर देने का, रॉकेट इंजन बंद कर। इंतजार किया अगले 3 महीना तक, जब तक चांद करीब आ जाए। अब जैसे ही चांद करीब आया, उसकी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स तो होगा ना, उन्होंने रॉकेट का इंजन को थोड़ा सा ट्रिगर करके छोड़ दिया। जैसे अब ट्रिगर किया तो स्टार्ट हुआ और चांद ने उसको अट्रैक्ट करके ले गया। कहां ले गया? चांद के आसपास घुमाने के लिए। तो हमने खर्चा किया सिर्फ धरती तक की, चांद ने मुफ्त में यहां से वहां तक ले गया। ठीक है, फिर चांद के बाद जाकर फिर से गाड़ी बंद कर दी, फिर 6 महीने इंतजार करी, जब तक मार्स का ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स चांद की ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के आसपास ना आ जाए। और जिस दिन मार्स की ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स चांद की ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के पास आया, उन्होंने फिर से इंजन चालू करके फिर से बंद कर दी और मार्स उसको खींच के ले गया। कैन यू बिलीव? 10,000 गुना ज्यादा डिस्टेंस हम सिर्फ 1 किलोमीटर की भाड़े में पहुंच पाए। That was an enterprise. Is it not beautiful? हमने सिर्फ 450 करोड़ में उस प्रोडक्ट का लॉन्च कर पाया जो 500 करोड़ में लॉन्च होती थी। So what I mean to end before talking to you is, entrepreneurship is not only about making a balance sheet, making a profit loss diagram, making something else. It happen in your day-to-day life also. You are an entrepreneur in a personal life. सही है भाई? ऐसा कोई आदमी है जो जिंदगी में मरने से पहले नुकसान करके मरना चाहता है, पूरा डुबा के सब कुछ? नहीं ना? So you are an entrepreneur, right? So what I mean to say is, keep dreaming and never think that entrepreneurship is all about making money and making that. Money will always be byproduct, right? Money will always be byproduct. Hope some of you might have got some of the insights what we talked today. And if any of you have any idea, it doesn't matter. It could be craft-based enterprise. It could be a financial sector enterprise. It could be a social enterprise. It could be a technology enterprise. It could be nothing else. The free charge guy Kunal Saha has never been in college, science college. He designed this thing and sold it in 600 crores, right? So what I mean, जिनके पास भी ख्वाब है, हम उनको कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा आगे लेने के लिए. And those of you who want to interact, maybe your e-sale could be one of the focal point. I will appreciate you that if you can explore more and more things. And let me promise you one thing: you will learn more beyond your classroom than insights. Always by applying the learning from insights. ठीक है? So hope so you might have got some sense. If not, I am nonsense. Right? Hope so you might have got some sense. So I will thank Madam and the team who got me here. I was just running the meeting, and we will keep on interacting in long view.